All of these channels were sort of designed with AI in mind and being able to deploy a bot. So I think that's a nice segue into what we were just talking about is you don't have to be afraid of turning these channels on and then overwhelming your contact center with volume. There's a very smart way to do it while deploying AI to be able to have this be a win-win all the way around.
Yeah, it's really interesting as we've moved into a digital economy, so much of how people transact and how people communicate is done in a mobile sense. So, if you're going to go to a hotel, you're not waiting to get to the hotel and check in and have a conversation about something that you might be wanting to do there. You may actually be doing that in the back of the Uber on the way to the hotel. This is kind of the frictionless environment that we're moving into, and if your technology does not meet people on those various different mediums, you're going to lose out, and people are going to select other companies, other brands. And we know that ultimately today, right now, it takes one bad experience for a person to completely drop maybe a lifetime of doing business with that company just because they don't feel that company is in touch anymore, or they don't value their business anymore, or they created potentially a problem in their schedule or in their flow of the day that they can't have that anymore. So they move to another provider that will meet them where they need to be. And it's just that tolerance is so little now that I don't understand sometimes why there is a reticence to want to bridge beyond the email, bridge beyond the simple chat, bridge beyond the voice, and to get into all these other channels. I mean, right away, you will probably maybe open up a new audience and maybe serve an audience that's underserved, and you had no idea that they were starting to fall away.
So, and it's a very good philosophical question that you raised, Frank.